Hello, and welcome to another demonstration video brought to you by Summit Hosting. In this video, we'll be learning how to redirect printers from your local Mac to your server. As you can see here, I've already logged into the server and gone into the devices and printers in the control panel. I don't see my local printer listed, so I'll need to log off the server before I can begin. Once I've logged out of the server, I'll hover over my RDP connection and click the pencil in the bottom right-hand corner. I'll go to the Local Resources tab and make sure the printer's box listed below is checked off. If it's not, check the box and click Save. Next, double-click the RDP icon to connect back into the server. Once I've been logged back into the server, I'll go to the Start menu in the lower left-hand corner, and I'll click on Control Panel. I'll go to View Devices and Printers under Hardware, and I can now see that my local printer has been redirected to the server properly, and I can use it to print as I need. Congratulations! If you've followed the steps in this video, you've learned how to redirect your printer from your local Mac computer to the server. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Summit Hosting, and have a great day.